Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Fall Fab Fit Fun box, and this came in the mail today and I've just been so excited to open it. If you don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it's a seasonal subscription box and you can do $49.99 each season or $179.99 for a year. I personally do the year subscription just because it saves me like $20. This is like my favorite box. This is the box that I will keep above all other subscription boxes. I love Fab Fit Fun and I'm super excited to open this up. So let's open this up together. Here we go. Ooh, so pretty. It's like a really pretty like yellowy orange inside. It says Fab Fit Fun, grateful for every little thing. Fall 2018, you can see that. Fab Fit Fun comes with a magazine in every box, and it will tell you like all the items inside and all the different variations. And then it also just has fun little things for fall. It probably has some recipes in here. We won't look at this right now because it'll tell me everything that's inside, and I don't think I know everything, so we'll look at this afterwards. And then it looks like we got a HelloFresh gift card, or coupon actually, and then we got a little Fab Fit Fun, like share Fab Fit Fun postcard, and a little Luna bar advertisement. It's really cute in here. It has like a cute little leaf that says Fab Fit Fun, and we can open this up together. Alright, so we got lots of goodies in here. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna grab out some things. So the first thing we have is Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel. I have never heard of this brand, but I love shower gel, so that sounds great. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like a spa, like very relaxing. It says, with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. So that sounds really nice to have for the fall and just like a relaxing thing to have for the shower. And it looks like this is like our little sample, like from every like season they have a sample for free. So we got a little Luna bar, and it's cashew butter, filled fruit, and nut bar. These are really good. Like I haven't had this kind, but I used to eat the, I think it was like lemon zest, I think that's what it was called. I used to love eating those a couple years back, so I'm excited to try this. Ooh, lots of goodies. Alright, so this was one of the items that I picked because you can pick a couple of your items. I picked these. These are White Cobra wireless headphones. So I'm excited to try these out and see if they're good quality. I have never had like a good pair of wireless headphones. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. 2 Glam Glow bubble sheet masks. These are like, I think $9 each on Sephora, and they have really good reviews, and I've seen people review them and they just like love them, and they're super fun, and they like bubble up on your face, but they are expensive. Now I'll know if they're like worth purchasing. I couldn't really like get myself to purchase a mask for like $9, so I'm excited to try these out. I love face masks. Like that's one of my favorite things. My husband would know that because I'm always putting face masks on, and sometimes I even make him do that with me, so I'm excited to do the bubble sheet mask. And Glam Glow is a really good brand, so exciting. All right, this is Alfred French press coffee maker, and I knew this was in the box because this was one of my choice items, and I'm a coffeeholic, as you would say, because I have 2 little kids, 3 and, or actually no, she just turned 4 and 2 girls, and I have to drink my coffee and I have to stay awake. So I am always trying out new ways to make coffee, and this sounded really fun because I've never had a French press before. Oh my gosh, so cute. It says, but first coffee on it, which is just a cute little saying. And it's so true because sometimes I just need coffee to get going. So this will be fun to make coffee in and see how it works. Ooh. Okay, so the next item was one of my choice items, and this is the crown brush set. I'm like super happy to get the brushes because I feel like I can never have enough makeup brushes. So this is gonna be really nice to add to my collection for sure. Ooh, that's so pretty. So that's a good amount. I didn't know it was gonna be this many. So we got 6 makeup brushes. I gotta feel one of these and see if they're soft. Oh yeah, those feel nice. See if the hairs come out. No shedding that I can tell. Yeah, definitely this will be a nice like bronzing brush or maybe even blush. This is really nice. And the little carrying case is nice too for traveling. Cool. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so excited about this. I don't know where it was. Might have Instagram, like somewhere I saw it and I was like, oh no, I hope I didn't see that. But then I kind of wish I did because I was really hoping this would be in here. The original beauty blender. So long story short, I've always wanted one of these, but I've never gotten one because I've never come to like purchase one for, I think they're like $20. And I always just get the Real Techniques orange sponge. And I love that thing. Like I love how it feels. It's always done great things for me, and that's how I always put on my foundation. But I'm really looking forward to trying this out. Everyone says this is the best thing in the world to put your makeup on with, so I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to see if it really is worth all the hype and to see if I'll actually purchase one again myself. Super happy this is in here, and thank you Fab Fit Fun for putting this in here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so my next choice item that I picked was Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. And I need a new day lotion, so hoping this works really well. Let's smell this and feel it and see if it feels like a good one. That's a really cute package. Super like, kind of like vintagey and like just really pretty. I like it a lot. Kind of looks like toothpaste too. Whoa, oh my gosh. Just like burst open. So I guess we gotta try it and kind of waste it a little bit. So let's see here. Oopsies. That's like a ton. Oh my gosh, guys. I have it like all over my hand. And it smells really good though. It's a very like, it's like a light citrusy scent, which I really enjoy. It feels nice too. I mean, I know it's not really for your hands. It's more of like a face cream, day cream. But I'm just seeing how it feels. It feels very silky. We'll see if it's greasy. Kind of trying to get to that point because I put so much on. Oh yeah, that smells really good. I was like kind of nervous about it because it has like strong fragrance notes. It has camellia and geranium blossom, which usually when things have geranium, they're really strong to me. So this smells so good though, like it's really light and refreshing. So I think I'll be able to put this on my face and not like worry about the scent. But yeah, that feels good. I have a couple more things. This is Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream, and it's with Echinacea and Green Envy. I am super happy to get this in the box. This brand is a really good like natural brand, and I always look at their stuff on Sephora. It is a little pricey, so I'm excited to try out one of their products full size. I have had some of their samples, but I've never had a full-size item. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is the cutest package. It's like a little wooden looking top, and then it says Do It All Total Eye Cream, and I can always use eye cream at night, so that'll be nice to have. All right guys, so we are already down to the last item, which is kind of sad, but everything's been great so far, so let's just get on with the last thing and see what it is. Looks like a, I don't know what this is, so let's open it up and see. Oh cute, so these are like little kitchen towels. I like gray and white, and they feel nice. They're very cute little decorative towels with a little like chevron print. Cool, how fun. That's different for Fab Fit Fun. Usually they give you like a scarf, so this is nice. It's by Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. Cute. All right, so that is everything in the Fab Fit Fun box for fall. I am like really happy with everything in there. And we got the French press, and then we got the beauty blender, the Glam Glow bubble sheet masks, the headphones, the little sample of the Luna bar. We got the Grown Alchemist day cream, the shower gel that smells really good and relaxing. I always need that in my life. And then the crown brushes, the cute little tea towels, and the Pharmacy Do It All eye cream. So yeah, Fab Fit Fun like never disappoints me. Yeah, super excited. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. It means the world to me. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.